Switching gears now, as the Dream Weekend Party series kicked off in Niguel, Westmoreland, vendors were left in a state of confusion over where they should sell. Hours leading up to the event, the vendors were in limbo with representatives from the Westmoreland and Hanover municipal corporations. Kalisha Williams has that story.
Food, fun and frolicking at Long Bay Beach in Negril, Westmoreland, a party-goer's dream. But for vendors, the hours leading up to the Dream Weekend Party series on Friday night was a nightmare.
I went to the parish council in Lucy and paid for a vendor's license. Now, they were talking about Hanover people and Westmoreland people. Where them are going to put them? I said they don't decide yet where them are going to put them. You understand? So anyway, me pay the money. So when me hear the take a word, every time I call the lady and say, where them say them are putting now? She say, she don't have none concrete all now.
So when the vendors showed up here, they were told to move. They stressed that representatives from the Hanover and Negril municipal corporations had them in limbo.
The first since Corona, I'm out. First since Corona. And it's like a headache. You come here, it's like, send this food a little further. Once you go there, it's okay. Another one comes and no, you cannot stay here, you have to go there. And you go there again and another day you're here. You cannot stay here, you have to go there.
The confusion, finding the designated area for vending near the venue.
Me have to prepare myself overnight, me not sleep, to put the things them together for the truck man come. When the truck man come, hours and hours of packing. You come again and you pack off and you try to set up and make your thing look presentable. So when the money pass, you can't catch their eye. And then one day you pass here, so you have to go there. So you sacrifice, get help here, somebody to move you. When you settle again, you say you have to move. So it's like you keep on and spend money before you even make a dollar.
You know, sell $100 worth of something. And yet you are spend over actually $20,000 moving, just by moving from here to there. Oh God, man.
But this is not new. Tension has been brewing between the vendors, the municipal corporation, and the organizers of Dream Weekend weeks leading up to the event. There was one suggestion for vendors to stay 150 feet from the venue. However, some vendors had concerns. It appeared those issues were addressed in a meeting. So why was there an issue on the first night of the event?
Some telling you have to go 150 yards. Some say 150 meters, some say 150 feet.
In the end, the vendors were allowed to sell here. We tried to get a response from the municipal officers on the ground, but we were unsuccessful. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.